Hello, welcome to Sktacademy. I hope everything will be fine. In this video I will teach you how to create a modern floor plan in AutoCAD. In this video we will working on this drawing from the scratch. My plot size is in this video will be 40 feet by 60 feet, and this is a modern floor plan having 5 bedrooms. Let's create it together. So let's get started. First I will select my units. Then I will set my limits. Then I will lock my UCS. And no. So I have told you that my plot size is 40 feet by 60 feet. I'll draw a rectangle. Z enter for zoom and E for extends. Now I will take an offset of 9 inches. And I will take an offset of 2 feet 6 inches again. This will be an open space around for better ventilation. Again take an offset of 9 inches and explode all these rectangles. Take an offset of 13 feet from each side and then offset 9 inches. You also can take offset of 4.5 inches, offset 14 feet on the Y axis and then offset 9 inches. Let's trim it first, and I will take offset of 9 feet, or I will take offset of 8 feet 6 inches and then offset 9 inches. Let's trim it and trim this also. Offset 5 feet and then offset 9 inches again, and on the x-axis I will take offset of 10 feet, offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it first and then we will trim it. Offset 8 feet for kitchen and offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it. Again offset 8 feet for stairs and offset 9 inches, and this time I will take offset of 14 feet for drawing room. Sorry, I will delete all these lines. Offset 14 feet and offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it, and on the x-axis I will take offset of 15 feet and then offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it first. Like this. Now I will take offset 14 feet for lounge and offset 9 inches. This area will be our lounge, and I am taking offset of 10 feet for dining room, offset 9 inches again. Let's extend it first and then fillet it. but I am taking an offset of 10 feet from this side also. Control Z or undo, offset 10 feet and offset 9 inches. Let's fillet it now. This will be our main entrance to the building. Filleted. This area will be our main gate and this area is car porch. Now apply trim tool to make clean our drawing. Now let's create doors, windows and stairs. Offset 4.5 inches, offset 4.5 inches and then offset 42. Extend it and then trim. Like this. Offset 4.5 inches. Again offset 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches and offset 4.5 inches. Offset 30 inches for bath and I will take offset of 3 feet for drawing room. Let's trim it. Clean these lines or delete these lines. Now extend also this one and this one. Let's trim it. Line offset 18 inches to each side, so this door will become 3 feet. Now let's create windows first and then we will draw our stairs. Offset 3 feet to each side. Delete this one. You may have 2 windows in each room for better ventilation. Take offset of 3 feet for large windows and then we will take offset for ventilators. These are offsets for windows. Let's trim it. Delete these lines. Sorry. Now take offsets for medium size windows, for example 2 feet to each side. This will be used as a ventilator. You also can use shortcut key E for erase. Let's trim it. And this one will be 2 feet, 1 feet offset to each side for ventilator. Let's trim it. ML style for multi-line style. Create a new one, window, delete these, and 3.5, sorry, and then 5.5, and then 9. Okay, set current. Okay, and then ML for multi-line. You also can create manual windows, but it will take time because of the multiple windows in one building. So if you have time, then create your own manual design in Windows. Like this. Now we'll import, first I will have to draw, create stairs. Offset 10 inches will be enough. I will extend this and I will trim these lines. Take offset of 2 inches, again 2 inches and 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches and 2 inches. Let's fillet it first. Delete these lines and TR double enter and then F for fence. Sorry, TR double enter and then F for fence. Again F enter for multiple selection. Again F enter for multiple selection, and then I will fillet it. PL for polyline, W for width, give it starting with 2 and ending with 2. Again W, width, and starting width will be 9 or 8 and ending will be 0 to create an arrow shape. Now we'll import furnitures, doors and other stuffs. Control 2 for design center, and you can import different blocks from here. Just drag it, or if you want, just right click on it and you can click select insert block and then OK. Click here, but this method will take time. You can just drag it and it will work. I'll pause the video for a few minutes to save your time. I have imported my windows, doors and furniture. Now let's create layers and dimensions for my drawing, and in last we will create text for better understanding of our drawing. So LA for layers, create a new one, and for every element you have to create a new layer. For example, walls, windows, doors, furnitures, give it every layer a color so it will look good. Now apply a layer on it. You want to create a separate layer for every element, just go to layer and create a new layer and give it a separate color. I will give doors color, this one will be good. Select door and apply on it, and then LA for MA for match property. Again go to layer, and for windows we'll give it a different color. You can change the color later if you want. Windows, MA for match property. Like this. Create dimensions. First I will select create a new textile, ST for textile, new, and style 1 is okay. Give it a height of 1 feet for example, and then apply. Again create a new one, style 2, okay. Give it a height of 6 inches, apply. I create a new one also, style 3, and give it a height of 8 inches, apply. Then close, go to dimension style manager, so D, enter, create a new one, style 1 for example. First I will select my primary units, architectural, and then precision 1 over 4 inches. Select your text, style 1, text alignment should be ISO standard, this is the best one. Arrowheads, I want architectural text this time. In the previous videos I selected dot. You can change it later if you want. Now first I will increase arrow size a bit, like this one, and then in lines I will extend dimensions line, and I am taking just an offset from the origin point, okay. And now set current and then close. DLI for dimension linear, (60/40). For now I will delete all these dimensions and take an offset of 1 feet, extend this one and offset 1 feet, fillet it, extend it and trim like this. It will be column and offset 10 feet for main gate, offset 1 feet again, and offset 4 feet for small gate, then offset 1 feet again. Create a line, again draw line, trim and trim. So this will be a main gate and this will be a smaller one for entrance. This area will be our car porch. Now one thing you must remember, you can create a car porch here, and in the first floor it will be a balcony. So I will import text, one feet, bed, room. You can specify height for lengths for the bedrooms, kitchen, like this. Take a copy, again take a copy of this text. This one will be a lounge, dining room, this area will be drawing room. You can also call it guest room. Take a copy, car porch, and this one will be our main gate. Move a little bit, again take a copy, this one will be our main gate. Create a text here, ground floor plan, scale a bit. Now I'll take a copy for the first floor, just a few changes and it will be an amazing modern house. First floor plan. Delete all these, and we have to create a balcony here. Create a line, fillet it like this. So for this I will move my small door to this side and my main gate will be on this side, 4 feet. Just move a little bit, rectangle, and I will take a copy, think this one column is enough, and we will have to create beams on the both sides. Sorry for these changes, but we will have to make changes for better drawing. Extend this one and then trim. I will create our main door from here. Delete all these lines, trim these lines, and then take offset of 10 feet. And then offset 1 feet. Extend these lines and offset 1 feet, offset 1 feet, fillet it and trim it like this. I will draw a line from this side, extend it, fillet it, trim it. This will be our main gate like this one, and I'll delete this one and take a copy because I have done many changes. Control Z, copy. This one will be our ground floor plan. Porch, and here we have to create our balcony. And on the first floor I will delete all these lines join it like this and join it here. Create a window 3 feet to each side. Delete this one and then ML for multi-line, then MA for match property. This one. So these will be our 2 bedrooms. This one will be main lounge, and this one will be our 3rd bedroom. And delete let's edit it for kitchen. And here we will have to create a store. And then I will mirror this one. Y for yes, up and down. So this is a 5-bedroom house. This is a modern house. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.